Hello.
Hi, friends. Welcome back. This is Harmony Vintage Insider, Angie, Rick,
Hi.
and we're excited about this week.
Yeah.
We've got some fun stuff to show you. It's been a good week. It's the first day of August. We had a good July.
Yes.
We didn't break any records, but we had a solid July.
I feel good about it.
I feel good about it. I feel like we're continuing to sharpen.
Yes.
Life is good. What would you like to add?
About the week?
About the week.
It was a little stressful on a personal level. I had kind of a stressful week, just some personal stuff. Nothing huge, but it was kind of stressful, so I'm kind of glad to be at Friday.
Sure, yeah. Well, congratulations on that. You handled it amazingly.
Oh, thank you.
Amazingly. I was so proud of you because I know it was causing you a lot of stress. And I just saw how you handled it, and it was amazing. I was proud of you. So,
well, thank you.
Good job.
Thank you for hanging by my side.
Oh, I wouldn't be anywhere else. I would not be anywhere else. We had a fun week, though, as far as merchandise, so right?
Yes. Well, continuing the fall theme, I just love fall. It makes me happy every time I start creating fall stuff.
Well, that's awesome. I think that's true. I think you're happy mostly when you're creating, but it goes up a level. It goes up a notch when you're doing fall stuff. I
know. I hope I'm going to get into as good of a Christmas creating zone as the fall zone that I've been in.
That's really kind of my goal, is we're trying to build a schedule where you get time to do this, because not only are you creative, God's given you a gift and you're developing, but I think it's good for your brain. I think it's an outlet for you.
Hey, you know what? That is something I think for a lot of people, creating is a very relaxing time for a lot of people. And just exercising that part of your brain can be very enjoyable and relaxing.
Well, yeah, I can tell when you've been able to create, and I can tell when you haven't. Like, we could come together after a week of not being together, and I would be able to tell if you were creating.
Interesting.
So anyway, that's cool. Let's see. It is Peaches Week at Sugar Mill.
Yes.
Peaches Weekend, I think.
Weekend, yes. We're going to go grab some tomorrow.
Saturday and Sunday. They're bringing back Palisade peaches to Sugar Mill.
Yes. I-25 and Highway 66.
Not even going to try. Not even going to try. You want directions, call Angie or Google it. Use Waze. I think last year we went through a box and a half.
I know. We were talking about that last week, and I think you might be right. Like, they're pretty delicious.
They're pretty delicious. I think I'm going 2 boxes this time.
I think we probably gave some away too. But,
oh, did we?
But yeah, which is also nice to be able to give them to some friends.
Good friends.
Sorry, you're not good enough friend to have my peach.
I just don't give my peaches away to anybody. It'd be pretty high on the list. Let's see. We got some cool stuff. What do you have? What would you like to dub Angie's pick this week?
Well, we already talked about it a little bit. So this is a really different kind of a product for us. But we went over to a friend's house a while back, and they had one. And then I went to a ladies' event, and they gave one to everybody. And I just love these so much that I decided to get some for the booth. Look at this, a little happy Jesus.
Look at that.
Isn't he so cute?
He's got I don't know if that's coming across. He's got a great big smile.
He's very small.
He's very small, and he is, here he is by my phone.
Yes.
And he has a different color robe on.
Yeah, we have like 10 different colors, maybe.
I forget, but you have purple. I have orange sash, a different colored sash. So, you know, we have. I have a couple of these in the house, in the gym, and they make me happy and they inspire me.
Yes, yeah, it's a little reminder.
It is. It's an encouragement. So I think they're a great product. They make me happy, and they're 99 cents.
I know. I know. How can you lose, really?
So buy one, buy two, give them away, put them in your car, put them on your dresser, put them on your makeup stand. wherever.
Yeah, I have mine over the kitchen sink, and so yeah, it's kind of a little reminder. Just he's very cute, but the real Jesus is way better.
Way better. Way better.
So when you see him, just a reminder to think about the real Jesus.
And what's funny is I decided to put mine up after seeing yours, because when I raised the window shade, there he is. I'm like, oh yeah, I got to get that. It's like the curtain coming up.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's great.
Fun.
Those are going to be at Sugar Mill. Tiny Happy Jesus, 99 cents, multiple colors. Just fun and inspirational.
Yes.
Gosh, now you really kind of stuck me with
with some other really great stuff.
It's a tougher decision. I don't know that anything is. This one is just fantastic. The way you repainted that frame and then you put that Land of Elsewhere print in there, that is awesome.
Yeah. So this frame, it was, I don't know, just gold, but I painted it just with some kind of fall colors that coordinate with the cute Land of Elsewhere print in there. And it says, "You are my most beautiful someone." And I just think this is beautiful for
that
fall.
Frame, you did such a good job, because that frame looked like every other frame on the planet. And then you painted it and you made it pop.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.
The fox one next to it, what do you want to say about that?
Yeah, so this
awesome.
one, I didn't do anything to the frame because this is a vintage frame, and it's really neat. It has the little hanger on top, but you could also set it on a desk, and that has a little fox. It says, "The sun shines not on us, but in us." It's a John Muir quote, and it has the fox and the toadstools or mushrooms, and it turned out pretty.
You did a good job. So you painted one, you didn't do anything to it, and then you made one.
Yeah, so I also just kind of wanted to remind you, because we do carry these little prints in our booth, and it's such an easy thing to pick it up and pop it into a frame, and a frame that you already have maybe, and they're so cute for your decor, or they make beautiful gifts as well.
Right.
So this one is not Land of Elsewhere. This is actually IOD, and I just made a little hanging ornament. So this is from a discontinued set. I'm just still using up some pieces from the, now I forgot the name again. Glen.
Is it the Christmas one?
No, I forget.
Fairy Tale Florals.
Anyway, it's one that you probably won't be able to find, but you might still have some in your stash, or you could always use IOD. So Rick cut me this little piece of thick cardboard, or I don't know what you call that.
Press board.
I put the transfer on it, and then this is from the frames mold set. So I molded it in resin, painted it, added the little hanger, and I think it turned out really great.
That is awesome.
Super cute.
Awesome. So all three of those are going to be at Sugar Mill?
They will.
Where's Sugar Mill?
I-25 and Highway 66, and very smart.
Big White Barn.
Doing it that way.
Big White Barn. Love it.
Yes.
We were talking with some friends yesterday. Steve and Cindy. Thank you. You guys are awesome. And I don't think there's anything in there you need. It is just every single want, right? It's beautiful.
Yes.
I love to go in there. I've never gone in there, I don't think, a single time, hundreds of times, and not said, I love that.
Yes.
I love that. So.
And there's always something new. I mean, we put new stuff in most every week, but all the vendors are doing
all the time.
So there's a lot of new stuff.
Constant reload.
Yes.
And above everything else, is they have great people there.
Yes.
And Saturday and Sunday?
Peaches.
Palisade peaches.
Yeah, no puppies though. We said something about puppies last week.
Yes.
So they actually adopted out all the puppies, so there aren't any more available. So
kind of good news, bad news.
So if you weren't going to get peaches because you were afraid you were going to get a puppy like me, you don't have to be afraid. You can just go and get your peaches.
Oh, that's hilarious, because Angie says the other day, maybe I should go get the peaches. Because she was afraid that I would go home and come back with a couple of boxes of peaches and a puppy. So it's going to be a good time. They're still going to have peach-inspired snacks and refreshments, and it's still going to be a great time.
Yes.
And Palisade Peaches just feels like a time of year, doesn't it?
It does.
It's like a marking on the calendar. Yes. So that's always fun. What else do you want to do, dear? You have this bottle brush tree that I know that you love.
I know. I did another bottle brush tree, and this time I put them in a little bottle. But I thought that turned out pretty great. So I'll probably do a couple more of those. See how those go. I know. I think this is how I'm going to do mine for our house.
Oh, okay.
I really, really like how this turned out. So
you're adorable, because when you really, really like something that you did, you get like double happy. You get a twinkle in your eye. Yesterday, she finished that one, and she charged up the stairs, and she's like,
yes,
so adorable.
I know. Well, when I did it, and I was by myself, I was just like, wow, this turned out so great. So I used IOD on it. I used
I love being the person that you share this stuff with. Like, as you're like, I'm by myself, but I love this. I have to tell him and run upstairs, charge upstairs.
Yes.
So anyway, go ahead. You used IOD?
Yes, I used one of the gilded transfers. That's the gold that you see on there. And then I used the distressed stamp with some white ink to give it a little look of crackle.
So, yep.
Turned out pretty great.
Do you have anything you want to say about IOD?
I don't think I can say anything yet, but news is coming soon, and we'll tell you as soon as we can. But if you've been waiting for the Christmas release, you might not have to wait too much longer.
You're the worst hinter.
Have you ever had a kid give you a hint and they give the whole thing away?
Yes.
I'm kind of like that.
It's like, yeah.
Yes.
It's like playing hide and seek where the kid hides under the rug and giggles. So big news coming out in the next week or two on IOD.
Yes.
Land of Elsewhere.
Yes.
What do you want to talk about?
We just got a new shipment.
Got a new shipment.
So we have a lot more of the, these are Christmas, of the regular tags. So these are all different. I mean, there are so many different ones, and they're awesome. So we have these in our booth, and then we also have already put our Christmas ones in there, but we got some new Christmas ones. So we're adding some new Christmas ones to the booth.
This isn't all of them. There's a lot more right over there. This is just a sampling.
Yeah, I just wanted you to see that we had them.
That'll be going into the booth.
Also, a sampling of some new of these. What are these 12 by 16 prints?
Yep.
Yeah, so we got some new, and look, we got some pretty fall ones. Isn't this cool?
That is awesome.
So these are made here in the U.S. A family in Texas makes these. They make their own paper. So this is handmade paper. And just some of the most beautiful art on there. So there's one. Here's another one with a pumpkin.
Oh, nice.
And then we also got another one with a deer and a pumpkin.
Those ones are.
And these are great for fall. You could hang these, you could frame them, of course, but you could also just hang them, like we put some ribbon on them and hang them, or, they'd be great propped up in a vignette. It is nice, thick paper, so you could just lean it on something. So lots of options with these prints. We also went ahead and ordered some of the Christmas ones too. So if you're one of those early shopper people, we'll have these. So they're all going to be mixed together in the booth. So you just kind of flip through there and see some of the ones that can be used for all year, and then the fall and the Christmas will all be in there.
For some of you old people like me, they're stacked up kind of like an album. And you just albums. When you used to go to the record store and you can just thumb through them and kind of see what you think of them. We did well with them last year, and the business has only grown since then, so we're excited to do it again this year.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
And then I don't know how we're going to be able to do this.
I know, this one might not show up super well.
We're going to try it.
I got a request to start making some welcome
I'm going to start at the top and work my way up.
I'm going to scoot over.
Okay. Sorry, I don't want anything to come between us, but there we go. So I don't know how well this is showing up. It's not quite done yet, but Angie's making one of those welcome signs. It says welcome right here, and then lots of flowers and a super cool. She's not finished with it quite yet, but very, very cool.
Yeah, I tried a new painting technique for the distressing, and it turned out pretty great. I'm happy with that.
I'm not sure it's coming through as well on the video, it's a video. How old am I? How old am I?
It's a video.
It's a.
I don't know.
You did a great job. You did some creating.
Thank you.
I can tell your spirit's elevated. You were such a trooper this week. I've always said diligence is one of your superpowers. Falling down and getting back up, and not just getting up, but getting up with a smile and ready to charge again. Fabulous and inspirational. You're like,
well, thank you.
Tiny happy Jesus, just encouraging me.
Well, you were so supportive, and I had some other friends who were really supportive. And yeah, yesterday, after just kind of a long week, I got to sit down and spend 2 or 3 hours just creating, and it really was great for my mind. So
the girl that went down into the basement, the creating room, whatever that is called,
our craft room,
whatever. The girl that went down into the craft room and the girl that came up out of the craft room. 2 different girls completely.
Yes, it was very restorative for me. And
restorative, good word.
Yeah. And so if you like to create, or maybe you want to try creating, we do carry the full line of IOD products, and we have them available at Sugar Mill, I-25 and Highway 66. Is that Thunder?
I don't know if that's bass or thunder. It looks pretty clear out.
Anyway, so you could get them there at Sugar Mill, or you could go to Vintage Marketplace, which is in Fort Collins, the corner of College and Trilby. We have all the IOD line there as well, and then we also ship. So if you want to order online, it's harmonywintagedecor.com, and we will ship it out the next available shipping day.
And so far?
100%.
100% next available day.
Yes.
I take pride in it.
Yes.
I don't like waiting. I'm not a patient waiter.
Me either.
But the only time we've taken more than a day was when we got it after closing, like Saturday at 7. We got one this week at Saturday at 7, but we mailed it like Monday at 9. As soon as the post office opened. So that was cool. Don't forget about your peaches, people.
It's only for 2 days.
2 days.
Kind of got to get there and get them.
And you better get there before I do.
Right, and it is while supplies last.
It is while supplies last, So
earlier is probably better.
I'm excited about that. Make sure you swing by, check it out. Remember, you're shopping small business, you're shopping local, you're supporting the little guy. Your money stays right here in the northern Colorado communities. So that's awesome. And if you're super hot, it's nice and cool. But,
it is.
They have refreshments. It's a nice way to spend a day.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you know what you can do that's nice too is I've never gone there with anybody that hasn't enjoyed it.
Right.
It's like it's from little to big, from young to old. People enjoy that.
There's something for everyone.
Anything else there before we go?
You
want to say something about Harmony?
Oh, yes. I almost forgot. But yes, we have a high value for Harmony.
Super high.
And that was only underscored this week, what a precious gift Harmony is. And so we do
wish that. Cry.
We wish that for all of you, that you would have more harmony in your lives.
Yes, absolutely. So we just thank you for all the opportunities. Please like the videos. Please share the videos. Please tell a friend. Please shop at Sugar Mill or Vintage Marketplace. Angie can tell you where they're at. And we'll see you. We love you. Goodbye. Have a great weekend, people.
Bye-bye.